Welcome to LaraK's Oracle. This is a mystical space where ancient wisdom meets modern intuition. Let's explore the sun today, a card of joy, truth, and light. Take a deep breath, let tarot speak to us. Alright, picture this. A great golden sun pours warm light across a clear sky. Below it, a carefree child rides on a white horse with no saddle, open, free, and joyful. In one hand, there is a bright red flag. Behind them, tall sunflowers rise above a low stone wall, all turning toward the light. This card is pure warmth and confidence. It's a feeling of being your true self, fully and unapologetically. It whispers, you are here, you are alive, you are meant to shine. Let's look a little closer. The sun is life force itself. It shines on everything without judgment. Its rays are both straight and weary, a blend of clear logic and gentle intuition, bright mind and open heart. Unclothed and unafraid, the child means innocence, honesty, and joy without masks. This is you beneath the armor, safe, loved, and naturally radiant. The white horse is moving forward without reins. It speaks of inner strength that doesn't need force. Trust your momentum. When you relax, life carries you smoothly. The red banner celebrates action, passion, and a well-earned victory. You have come through something. The low stone wall is the past, solid enough to support you, but no longer blocking your view. The four sunflowers is standing tall and turning toward the light. They echo the four elements and the four seasons. Every part of life grows when it's nourished by truth and warmth. When the sun appears upright, it's a bright yes. Joy rises, energy returns, clarity lands. You may feel seen, supported, and right in your zone. Truth stands in the open. No more guessing, no more shadows. Wait for a green light. This is it. When the sun is reversed, think close, not night. The light is still there, just softened. Maybe self-doubt creeps in, or joy feels harder to access. Perhaps there is a touch of burnout, or optimism that needs grounding. The message is rest, reconnect, and come back to what truly lights you up. So, how do we walk with the sun? Start small. Ask, what makes me feel alive today? Do a little more of that. Let yourself be seen. Share something true. Speak with warmth. Allow joy to show. Make space for play. Sunshine and silliness are sacred too. The sun reminds you, you are already enough. You are already shining. It's safe to step into your own light. Alright, are you ready to walk in the sunlight of your own truth? That was the sun, card of joy, clarity, and radiant self-expression. Next time, we'll meet judgment, a card of awakening and powerful rebirth. If today's message speaks to you, drop a sun logo in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to LaraK's Oracle. Till next time, keep shining and let tarot speak to you.